continuation part of data representation chapter. In the last class, we were discussed about the binary subtraction using ones complement method. So in ones complement method, so we completed the case 1. So that is subtracting smaller number from larger number. So in that case, the first step is to find the ones complement of subtrahend. So subtrahend means the second value, which is minus value, that will be complemented. So ones complement means replacing 0 by 1 and replacing 1 by 0. So, and case 2 is adding the ones complement to the minuend. So case 2, adding the ones complement value to the minuend. And step 3 is by adding the ones complement to minuend, we will get the carry. So that carry is called as end around carry. So in step 4, so the end around carry will be added to LSB to get the final difference. But in the case of case 2, the first step is similar to case 1. So that is find the ones complement of subtrahend, and step 2 is adding the ones complement value to the minuend. So the case step 1 and step 2 are very similar to the case 1. So in the step 3 here, in this case we cannot find any carry. So carry is not generated here. So I want the final difference. To get the final difference, I will recomplement the answer. So recomplement is nothing but, so now I am doing ones complement method. So recomplement andre again I should take ones complement of the answer to get the final difference. So let us take an example. So subtract 52 from 25. Subtract 52 from 25 means smaller number minus larger number. So minuend value is 25 and subtrahend value is 52. So before solving the problem, let us convert the 25 to binary number. So binary number of 25, so divided by 2. So the binary number, so I am converting the given decimal number to binary number. So that is 25 is the given decimal number. So I am converting it to binary number. So binary number is 2 12s are 24. So the remainder is 1. So next 2 6s are 12. Remainder is 0. 2 3s are 6. Remainder is 0. And 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 1. So to write the binary number, so this is my MSB and this is my LSB. So the binary number is MSB to LSB, that is 1100 1. So the binary number of 25 is 1100 1. And again, so the subtrahend value is 52. So the 52 binary number is 26 2s are 52, remainder is 0. So 2 13s are 26, remainder is 0. 2 6s are 12, remainder is 1. 2 3s are 6, remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1. So this is my MSB and this is my LSB. So to write the binary equivalent number, I should write it from MSB to LSB. So that is 110100. So this is the binary number of 52. Yes. So in minuend there are only 5 digits. So in subtrahend there are 6 digits. So I will add 1 0 at left side for minuend. So next step, so that is step 1 is find the ones complement of subtrahend. So subtrahend value is 1 1 0 1 0 0. So ones complement of this. So ones complement of replacing 1 by 0 and 0 by 1. So that is 0 0 1 0 1 1. So this is my ones complement answer. So add this to minuend. So minuend is 0 1 1 0 0 1. So ones complement answer is 0 0 1 0 1 1. So add these two. So using binary addition table, 1 plus 1 means sum 0, carry is 1. So next 0 plus 1 is sum is 1, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry is 1. So next 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. Again 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry is 1. Next 1 plus 0 is 1. Again here carry is there. 1 plus 1 means sum 0, carry is 1. So at last 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So this is the answer for adding these two. Ones complement answer and minuend. We will get the answer as 1 0 0 1 0 0. Here carry is not generated. So end down carry le generate agila. So recomplement the answer to get the final difference. So either bandiro answer ke na matte ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು recomplement. So recomplement ಅಂದ್ರೆ again I want to ones complement this answer. So 1 means replaced by 0, 0 is replaced by 1. So this is my final answer, that is 0 1 1 0 1 1. So check it. So 25 minus 52, the answer is 27, means minus 27. So whether the answer is right or wrong, you check it using verification method. So first value, it will start from 2 to the power of n. So n is initially 0. So 2 raised to 0 and 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4 and 2 raised to 5. So 2 raised to 4 means 16 into 1 is 16. So next 2 raised to 3 is 8. 8 into 1 means 8. So 2 raised to 2 is 2 raised to 1 is 2 and 2 raised to 0 is 1. So by adding all this, we will get the answer as 27. But my sign is minus because I am subtracting larger number from smaller number. So the answer is in the form of negative. So write it in minus sign. So minus 0 1 1 0 1 1 is my answer for subtracting 52 from 25. Subtract 12 from 7 using ones complement method. So the binary number of 7 is 111 and the binary number of 12 is 1100. But in minuend there are only 3 digits. In subtrahend there are 4 digits. So I will add 10 to minuend in left side. So the first step is to find the ones complement of subtrahend. So the subtrahend value is 1100. So ones complement of 1100. So 1 is replaced by 0. 0 is replaced by 1. So the ones complement of 1100 is 0011. And step 2 is add this ones complement value to minuend. So my minuend is 0 triple one. So 1's complement answer is 0011. Next, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. So listen here. Here there are 3 ones. So first take 2. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. So carry I am adding here. So 1 plus 1 is sum 0 carry is 1. So carry I am already entered here. So sum is 0. 0 plus 1. Again here carry is there. So 0 plus 1 is sum is 1 carry is 0. So next 1 plus 1 is sum 0 carry is 1. Fine. So next 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So this is the answer for adding 1's complement to minuend. So next step, here the entire carry is not generated. So here carry is not generated. So again I am recomplementing the answer. So recomplement means I am doing 1's complement method. So again I want to do 1's complement of this. So 1 is replaced by 0. 0 is replaced by 1. The third example is subtract 22 from 13 using 1's complement method. So the minuend is 13 and subtract is 22. So before solving this problem, let us convert the given decimal number to binary number. So binary number of 13. So 13 is nothing but B, that is 1101. Yes. So next subtract, that is the decimal number is 22. So 22 divided by 2. 2 11 is 22, remainder is 0. 2 5 is 10, remainder is 1. 2 2 is 4, remainder is 1. And 2 1 is 2, remainder is 0. So the binary number of 22 is 10110. So before solving it, so the number of digits in minuend should be equal to the number of digits in subtrahend. So andre minuend alli ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ 4 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಆಡ್ 1 0 ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ದಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ minuend value. So the first step for solving subtraction for case 2 is find the 1's complement of subtrahend. So subtrahend value is 1000. So 1's complement of this. One's complement ಏನು 1 ನ 0 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, 0 ಇದ್ದನ್ನ 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. So 0 1 0 0 1. So this is the 1's complement of 10110. Yes. So add this 1's complement to minuend. So minuend value is 01101 plus so 01001. So add these values. So using binary addition table, we already know that 1 plus 1 is sum 0 carry 1. So next 0 plus 0 is sum 0. 0 plus 1 sum is 1 carry is 0. Next 1 plus 0 sum is 1 carry is 0. So next 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry is 1. At last 0 plus 0 sum is 0. 0 plus 1 that is 1. Here also the carry is not generated. So in case 2, the end order carry will be not generated. So I want to recomplement the answer. Recomplement means recomplement andrenu I am using ones complement ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. So ones complement ಅನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So to get the final difference, so 1 is replaced by 0, 0 is replaced by 1. So this is my answer. I want to write it in negative sign because 13 minus 22 is, answer is 9, that is minus 9. So the value is in the form of negative. So minus 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So let us cross verify the answer. So this is 2 to the power of 0, that means 1, plus 2 to the power of 1 is 0. Let us leave it. So 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 4 into 0, 4, 0, leave it. So 2 to the power of 3 is 8, 8 into 1 is 8. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So 1001 means the 1001 is the binary number of 9. So the subtraction of 22 from 13 using ones complement, the answer is minus 0, 1001. Yes. And the next example, subtract 9 from 2 using ones complement method. So my menu end is 2 and subtract is 9. So binary number of 2 is 10, and the binary number of 9 is 1001. I am already told you that the number of digits in menu end should be equal to the number of digits in subtrahend. So I will add 2 zeros for the menu end. So the menu end value is 0010. And for subtraction of 9 from 2 using ones complement, the first step is to find the ones complement of subtrahend. So my subtrahend value is 1001. So the first step is to form ones complement of this subtrahend. So that is ones complement of this is 0110. And step 2 is to add this ones complement value to menu end. So my menu end value is 0010 and ones complement value is 0110. Fine. So 0 plus 0 means using binary addition table, sum is 0, carry is 0. 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. So next here 3 values are there. So first 0 plus 1, sum is 1, carry is 0, and 1 plus 1. So the carry 1 plus 1, the sum is 0, carry is 1. So next 0 plus 0, sum value is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. So this is the ones complement value, adding ones complement to menu end. So the answer I get is 1000, but here the end order carry is not generated. So again I want to recomplement the answer. Recomplement ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So here I am doing recomplement means I am using ones complement. So again I want to do ones complement for this answer. So 1 is replaced by 0, 0 is replaced by 1. So negative sign, minus sign. So minus 0,111 is my answer for subtraction of 9 from 2 using ones complement method.